Okay, can I speak? Can I please speak to him?
Guys, like ይሄንን ቪዲዮ እስከ መጨረሻ ተመልከቱ። እዚህ ሀገር like ችግር የለም። ትላንትና በሰራው ቪዲዮ ላይ እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ነው ለመግለጽ የፈለኩት። ያ እዚህ ሀገር of course ችግር አለ። እንደዚህ አይነት የተለያየ ጥያቄ ነው መጣው something like ብቻ ይሄንን ቪዲዮ እስከ መጨረሻ ተመልከቱ። ሲቀጥል ደግሞ አባሻ እዚህ ሀገር ምሸወዱን ሽወዳ like የቋንቋ ችግር ትላንት እንዳልኳችሁ የሚያጠፉት ጥፋት like ስደተኛ ሆኖ like የሀገሪቱን ህግ አከብሩት ያ ነገር ዋጋ እያስከፈለ ነው። አሁን ይሄንን ልጅ ተመልከቱ ምን ያህል እንደሚያሰቃዩት ብቻ go ahead let's go
አባቱ ቡላር ፖሰ ተሙቁ
how are you can you open for us please okay it's fine if he doesn't want to open we have all the master lock you can open that's not a problem let us discuss and then find a way to open.
So now that we've been begging him to open and we must wait for him. What I've realized is that camera took. So wherever the boss is, of course, and that's why he's not coming. So we've called the police. I hope I knew that you were hiding something. My friend, how are you? How are you? Good. My name is Kam. Why did it take you long to open? What are you hiding? What are you hiding? What is this? You're selling a special combo. Apparently it's called special combo. So it's a mixture of refresh and then insomnia, not insomnia, man. What is that called? Anxiety pills. And then they mix it with this cough mixture. Why are you doing that?
አሁን ይሄ ምን መሰላችሁ like in the drugs like cold drink like something Coca-Cola something like አቀላቅሎ ነው የምጠጡት የሚያሰክር ነገር ነውና like drugs ነውና ብቻ ተመልከቱ ተከታተሉ እስከ መጨረሻ ተመልከቱ guys please ብዙ ነገር ትማራላችሁ ያስባሉኝ ሰብስክራይብ እንዳይረሳ እና ይሄንን ፔጅን ፎሎ አድርጌዋለሁ ለምንድነው እንደዚህ አይነት መረጃ አሁን ይሄ ቪዲዮ የቆየ አይደለም እንደዚህ አይነት ፍተሻዎች አሉ አሁን ሳውዝ አፍሪካ ስፔሻሊ ባውኑ ታይም ጥንቃቄ እንድታደርጉ ነው ይሄንን ቪዲዮ ለማስተማር ነው ባዳይ ቀጣይም አለ አጭር አይደለም let's go
I think yesterday I showed you and then they mixed this liquor drink. Where are the pills? Where are the other ones? I want more of these.
I don't know. Someone in the US.
Sorry?
Just give the next.
I want more. This is from your counter. So you've been selling. Remember, I just opened this. This I just got. I got it here. See? So where do you guys get this from? I'm asking you. And you're selling this to school kids. And apparently 70 rand, that whole combo. So it's 3 pills. And then this cough mixture and a cold drink.
I called for him.
Who?
My brother.
Oh, so but you said to me it's your boss, so it's your brother, so you work together.
It's the brother. Yeah, we are working together.
So you're co-owners of this shop. But why are you selling this? What else are you selling? This is not allowed. You are literally selling drugs. This is a drinkable nyaope. Do you know that? Huh? Do you know that you're selling a drinkable nyaope? You see, remember I told you earlier on, I sent someone to come and buy, just so that I can be sure. I bought this from you. They bought this from you, Minir. You see, somebody put tell us so. So there's 3 of them. And then they sell it for 70 rands. Mutembisam. But you're not allowed to sell this. You are selling drugs. That's my problem. and it's school kids. Bring that phone.
Eh,
Bring that phone. Let me speak to him. Huh? Have you tasted this? Okay, let's taste it. Papa, you can't sell something that you have never tasted. Hmm? Something that you have never tasted. You cannot sell. So you must taste it so that you understand. So you must also tell your brother that at least you know what you guys are selling. You know your product. Huh? Hey, they go through a lot to make this thing. The last one went in. Yeah. After the last one, okay, it's here. It goes in. Hold here for me. Hold here for me. Yeah. How? I get this is your product. What's the problem? And then they put this. Do they put half or all of it?
I don't know. No.
But when you sell it, when you just sell, you don't know how they mix it. You just sell. Yeah?
I'm not selling.
You are selling it.
Just we keep there for someone.
You're not keeping this for anyone. You are selling it. And then you do this. And then apparently they do this like.
The keys. Wait, keys. Give us keys.
The keys for the storeroom. Let's not fight. Yeah?
It's there and it's open.
Not open. That other room.
Let's taste it. I think you start first.
አያችሁ ላይክ ጠጣ እስከ አንተ ጠጣ ትላለች ላይክ ቴስት አድርግ ትላለች እና እንደዚህ አይነት ችግሮች አሉ። አሁን ልጁ ያቋንቋ ችግርም አለ አለማስረዳት አለ ገብቷችኋል። አሁን በግድ ጠጣ እያለች ላይክ አያችሁት ይሄንን ነው እየተደረገ ያለው ሳውዝ አፍሪካ። ሲቀጥል ደግሞ አበሻ የሚሰሩ ስራ ተመልከቱ። የአግሪቶን ህግ አክብሮ ህግ ማክበር የሚባል ነገር አንዳች ነገር የለም። ችግር አለው እኛ ጋር ነው ማለት ነው። ተመልከቱ።
So you know what's said is that Diloze directions of Anabaruna, right? And we know about this, but we don't say anything because I remember when I was standing outside, I could hear parents saying, "Oh, Pasale is special combo." They know about it, but no one is doing anything or no one is saying anything. This is the combo. My other question for Diloze, ready krako kai? Because take it please anxiety, and we need a prescription to get this. Can you please come, Claire? Huh? Still pain. Huh? So this is the still
አያችሁ ጋይስ ይሄ ሌላ ክላስ ነው ሌላ ማል ማለት ነው። ተመልከቱ ልጅቷ ቁጭ ብላ እየታዘበች ነው ማለት ነው ምን እንደሚሰራ ኔክስት ታይም መታ እያየች ነበር። ለዛ ነው ፖሊስ ይዛ አላም ደግሞ something like የሚፈትሹት ነገር አለ ኤቭሪ ዴይ እኔም ጋር ይመጣሉ ባይዘው እኛም ጋር ይመጣሉ እንደዚህ አይነት ነገሮች አሉ። ያ ሶ ብቻ ላሳያችሁ
guys, it's so sad. Bon, what are you doing at Abia? 70 rand. Gape ke botsa gore bana ba sekolo ba le bona ba ikra ka itšhelete to buy this thing. Lutso tsa ba batswadi ba lona tšhelete lona gore le tlo reka nyaupe. Look at that. This one. It's a lot of boxes in Zanzi. And it's so sad that people are selling these things, you know, to our own kids, in our own community. That's the sad part about it. And ele on kirle kirko ena ayin, aranye ka yin, mara wa irikisa. Ena la butwa khay khona lona rappel, sa tse bo rappella. Can you please come, Claire? My friend, why are you crying?
I'm angry with him. Why you don't come?
You're angry because of your brother doesn't want to come. Do you want us to call him again?
ጋይስ እስከ መጨረሻ ተመልከቱ። ላይክ አሁን ልጁ እያለቀሰ ነው። ያ ቦዛውን ቢመጣም ይያዛል። ወንድሜ ስላልመጣ ነው እያለቀስኩኝ ያለው እያለ ነውና ለልጅቷ ያ ኦፍ ኮርስ ውስጥ ላይ ያለው ሰው ነው ላይክ ቦዝ የምትለው አምጥቶ አሳይቶ ያለውን ነገር አስረክቦ ይሄዳል። ውስጥ ላይ ትላንት እንዳልኳችሁ አንተ ነህ ችግሩን የምታየው። ብዙ ሰቃይ ብዙ መከራ የሚያደርስብህ አንተ ነው። ሳውዝ አፍሪካ ያለው ችግር ይሄ ነው ጋይስ። ሀበሻ የሚጉና ያከብርም ይሄ ነገር ዋጋ ያስከፍላችኋል ጋይስ። ጥንቃቄ አድርጉ ፕሊዝ። እስከ መጨረሻ ተከታተሉ ጋይስ። ሰብስክራይብ እንዳይረሳ። ቁም ነገር አዘር ቻናል ነው። እስከ አሳድጉኝ ብዙ ነገር እናሳችኋለን እንሰራችኋለን ብዬ አስባለሁ። መልካም ቀን ባይ። ይመቻችሁ።